For most of human history, machines have not been partners. They have been instruments. From the earliest automated looms to modern robotic assembly lines, machines followed rules designed entirely by human hands. Every movement, every calculation, every mechanical action was a reflection of human authority, translated into metal and code. Automation did not begin as intelligence, it began as repetition. Machines could perform tasks faster and with fewer errors, but they could not decide what tasks mattered. That responsibility remained fairly human. This relationship created the first unwritten law of technology. Machines obey humans' command. When computers emerged in the 20th century, they reinforced that belief. Early software systems operated on strict rule-based logic. Programs did only what programmers explicitly introduced them to do. If a condition changed, the software would fail. If instructions were incomplete, the machine would stop. Computer science pioneer Alan Turing once warned that when machines begin thinking, they could eventually surpass human abilities. He noted that once machine thinking starts, it may outstrip our feeble human powers. But in the early decades of computing, this idea remained theoretical, distant from the reality of limited, instruction-bound machine. At the time, control appeared absolute. As artificial intelligence entered the modern world, it arrived cautiously as assistance, not authority. Early AI systems appeared in everyday tools: spell-checking software, search engines, recommendation algorithms. They suggested options, corrected mistakes, and sorted information, but they did not act independently. This philosophy shaped how governments and corporations deployed AI technologies. Experts consistently emphasized augmentation rather than replacement, a belief that AI would strengthen human capability, not compete with it. Across critical industries, AI systems were deliberately designed to include human supervision. In medicine, algorithms began scanning radiology images, highlighting patterns that could indicate disease, but doctors retained final diagnostic authority. In financial systems, AI flagged suspicious transactions, but investigators confirmed fraud cases. In legal environments, software reviewed documents and predicted legal outcomes, but attorneys and judges made the decisions that shaped people's lives. Researchers would later describe this design philosophy as human in the loop AI, a hybrid system where human judgment remains central because fully autonomous systems struggle to handle ethical context, responsibility, and unpredictable real-world complexity. Studies of high-risk AI deployment show this model exists because removing human judgment can lead to real harm when lives, justice, or safety are at stake. This layered supervision created confidence across industries. Human approval became the final checkpoint before machines acted. Engineers embedded safeguards into nearly every automated system. Manual override switches, emergency stop buttons, supervisory dashboards, and intervention protocols. These safety structures were not accidental. They reflected a growing understanding among researchers that meaningful human control was essential for maintaining accountability, dignity, and trust in automated decision-making systems. In many fields, maintaining human authority became not just a technical choice, but an ethical one. Global leaders, researchers, and policymakers echoed this belief repeatedly. International safety frameworks consistently stress that human oversight remains the primary safeguard in emerging AI systems. Modern AI Safety Declaration emphasizes that oversight is necessary because the long-term capability of artificial intelligence remain uncertain and potentially difficult to control. In 2024, global leaders at major international summits warned that machines must never be allowed to dominate human destiny or make irreversible life and death decisions. The message was clear. Artificial intelligence represents a powerful transformation, but its development must remain centered on human authority and responsibility. Even among AI engineers and technology executives, caution shaped early expectations. Major industry leaders frequently argued that automation remains difficult to complete without human supervision. Executives building advanced AI systems often compare automation to aviation, where autopilot systems assist pilots but do not replace them, because society still demands human accountability when systems fail. Technology experts repeatedly emphasize that AI can process vast amounts of data, predicts patterns, and supports decision-making, but human creativity, ethical reasoning, and contextual judgment remain difficult to replicate. This reinforces the belief that machines would always remain powerful tools, but tools nonetheless. This belief formed the foundation of the modern technological world. Governments designed regulation around human oversight. Companies built products assuming human review would remain permanent. Society accepted automation because humans still appear to hold the final authority. Surveys of technology experts reflected this mindset. Many believed artificial intelligence would dramatically expand human productivity and problem-solving power, but warned that it could also threaten human agency if control structures were weakened. For decades, the balance appeared stable. Machines became smarter, systems became faster. Automation spread into nearly every industry, but the assumption remained untouched. No matter how advanced technology became, the final decision would always belong to us. For a time, that assumption defined the relationship between humanity and intelligence itself.